Hi Derek, I appreciate the opportunity to present 2XL's tailored solution for Amalgamated Group's timesheet challenges. Our proposed geo-gated timesheet system is designed to automate and streamline your current manual processes. At its core, the system leverages geo-gating technology to ensure accurate time logging by only allowing staff to clock in when they're physically on site. Coupled with in-app messaging reminders and admin management functionalities, this system eradicates the need for double handling, thus minimizing errors and saving substantial administrative time. Beyond operational efficiency, the system promises tangible financial benefits by reducing lost billable hours and improving invoicing accuracy. Its secure and scalable architecture will be developed using industry-leading technologies like Laravel for the back end and React Native for the mobile application, ensuring that the system is both robust and user-friendly. Although not part of Stage 1, as we move forward, integration with MYOB and license verification features are planned, making this system not just a solution for today, but a scalable tool for your company's future. I invite you to thoroughly read through the comprehensive proposal we've prepared. We're eager to get this project underway and confident that the solution will provide substantial benefits to Amalgamated Group. Once you're satisfied with the details, all that's required to kickstart this transformative project is your signature on the proposal and the initial payment. The timing is fortuitous as well. Our current projections indicate that the system should be fully operational by January. We're looking forward to partnering with you on this exciting venture.